FundedNext versus FTMO. Which prop firm should you choose? Choosing the right prop firm can significantly enhance your trading success while minimizing financial risk. Let's explore both options to see how they stack up. FundedNext and FTMO are two popular prop trading firms that offer traders the opportunity to manage capital. The core difference lies in their funding models and evaluation processes, which can impact your trading experience and success. FundedNext is a prop trading firm that provides traders with the opportunity to manage substantial capital without risking their own funds. Their evaluation process is straightforward, allowing traders to demonstrate their skills through a simple challenge. FundedNext offers flexible trading conditions, including various asset classes and a profit-sharing model that can go up to 90%. One of its strengths is the lack of a time limit on achieving profit targets, which gives traders more freedom. However, the firm may have specific rules regarding drawdowns and trading strategies that traders must adhere to. Ideal users include those who prefer a less pressured environment and want to showcase their trading abilities over a longer period. FTMO is well known in the prop trading community for its rigorous evaluation process and robust funding opportunities. Traders undergo a two-phase evaluation, where they must meet specific profit targets within set timeframes. FTMO offers a profit split of up to 90% similar to FundedNext, but requires traders to adhere to strict risk management rules. One notable strength of FTMO is its established reputation in community support, which can be beneficial for traders seeking mentorship and resources. However, the strict evaluation criteria may deter some traders who prefer a more lenient approach. FTMO is ideal for disciplined traders who thrive under pressure and are confident in their trading strategies. When comparing FundedNext and FTMO, consider your trading style and preferences. FundedNext offers a more relaxed evaluation process with no time constraints, making it suitable for traders who prefer flexibility. Conversely, FTMO's structured evaluation can be advantageous for those who thrive under pressure and seek a well-established firm. The profit-sharing models are similar, but FTMO's strict rules may limit some trading strategies. If you prioritize a supportive community and resources, FTMO might be the right choice. However, if you value flexibility and a straightforward approach, FundedNext could be more appealing. For traders seeking flexibility and a less pressured environment, FundedNext is the ideal choice. If you thrive under structured evaluations and value community support, FTMO is the better option. Both firms offer unique benefits, so choose the one that aligns with your trading style for optimal success.